Ever wonder how to do a very dark, deep Darth Vader voice? In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can achieve it with Lumafusion. Let's go.
First off, right, select the clip that you want to create. So right now, I want to find this clip right here. And what you want to do is go to your audio, okay? Double tap on it, go to your audio, and always follow my finger. The blue dot on your screen right now. Go to audio, and go to your up here. Okay. The second option, go to pitch. Okay, select that. And when you select it, there's another menu coming up. Okay, pop out. Okay, to make your sounds really deep, you just lower the pitch scale to around 750 to 9,900. Let's play. As I have a lot of content right there for you to check it out. I'll see you next time with another video. Bye. Okay, not very deep, right? Yeah, first thing you gotta do, make sure you select the right clip. Okay. Now we are in good shape. Graphic equalizer, turn off. Okay.
I have a lot of content right there for you to check it out. I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.
Okay, now I have Darth Vader. Okay, let's see it again. Before, let's turn it off. I have a lot of content right there for you to check it out. That's my normal voice with another video. Bye. Okay, now we go to Darth Vader.
I have a lot of content right there for you to check it out. I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.
Make to 900.
I have a lot of content right there for you to check it out. I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.
750 I found to be
good. I have a lot of content right there for you to check it out. I'll see you next time with another video. Bye. I have a lot of content right there for you to check it out. I'll see you next time with another video. Bye. Okay,
you get the point, right? You play around with it, okay? And you get this kind of deep, dark voice, okay? Mechanical kind of voice. And if you like what you hear, just make a preset, okay? Make a preset. Okay, plus sign right here. You want to do a preset, okay? I just want to do a preset, Darth Vader. Okay, that's how you go there, Darth Vader. Okay, right there, Darth Vader. So you want to change people's voice, like very deep, that's what you do. Okay? Something fun in Lumafusion, right? Try it, play around with it. Yeah. My name is Charles, I'm a TimelapseNuts. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you find this tip tutorial helpful for you. Also, check out my playlist. I have great content there for you to check it out. Okay, I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.